Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to change a product category in Shopify. First, visit shopify.com, then click on Login, fill in your email address and password. Now click on Products to visit or to see your available products in your Shopify store, and click on the product you want to change, or you want to change the category for. Scroll down a little bit to the category section. As you can see now, this product is already in the food and beverages, and Shopify suggests, or I think based on the title and description, Shopify suggests this more accurate category. Let's click on it. As you can see now, it is selected. And if you want to change your category manually, just click on the category list, go back to the first categories. As you can see, you can select between animals, pet supply, apparel, arts, baby, business, cameras, electronics, food, furniture, hardware, health and beauty, home, luggage, media, office, religious software, sporting toys, vehicles. And inside each of these parent categories, when you click on it, you find subcategories. Let's look for the foods and beverages. Inside this, I have food items, and inside it I still found subcategories like fruits, bakery, seasoning. I think dips. I think I'm in the wrong category. I'm looking for machines, and you can also select your category or select your product category doing search. For example, coffee machine. As you can see, these are all suggested categories. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called Shopify for Beginners today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Shopify, how to set up your online store, add products and collections, manage your store pages and navigation, add payment methods, launch your store, manage it, also doing marketing for it. To get access to all of this today, plus my other available online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Let's search with drip coffee makers, and I think this is the correct category. Drip coffee makers in coffee makers and espresso machines. I think it is better to search for your category instead of selecting it manually. Now, after selecting your product category, don't forget to hit this save button to not lose your changes. Now my product is saved, and this is how to change your product category in Shopify. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.